Meaning of garage sale.
Garage sale.
Garage sale.
Garage sale.
Garage sale. A garage sale is a type of informal retail event where individuals sell their unwanted items, typically within the confines of their own garage or yard. These sales are often held by individuals who want to get rid of excess belongings before moving or decluttering their homes. Garage sales offer a range of items for sale, including clothing, furniture, toys, and household goods. They can also be a popular way for collectors to find rare or unique items. Overall, garage sales provide an opportunity for people to make some extra money while getting rid of things they no longer need.